Wake up. It's already 7:30. You will be late for the office.
Oh no, I didn't hear the alarm.
You slept like a baby. Get up now. Your clothes are ready.
Thank you. Is breakfast ready?
Yes. Tea, toast, and poha. Your favorite.
Perfect start to the day. You are the best. Just don't forget to take your office file. The poha is delicious.
Thank you. I added some peanuts this time.
Great idea. What's your plan for today?
Cleaning the wardrobe and then grocery shopping.
Need help with anything?
Maybe on the weekend. You always disappear on Sundays.
Not this time. We will clean it together.
Deal. And take your lunch today.
You made lunch too. I'm lucky to have you. Hey, did you reach the supermarket?
Yes, I'm buying vegetables. Do we need anything special?
Snacks for the weekend?
Got it. Chips, biscuits, and your spicy namkeen.
Don't forget the milk and eggs.
Already in the cart. Anything else?
No, just drive safe, okay?
Don't worry. I'll be at home in 30 minutes.
Okay, where do we start?
From your side of the wardrobe. It's a mess.
But I know where everything is.
That's what every man says. Let's clean it.
Fine. Can we play music?
Sure, but no old songs, please. Let's watch something tonight. I'm bored.
What kind of movie?
No action. I want something romantic or funny.
Let's watch that comedy you love.
Yeah, I will make popcorn.
And I'll get cold drinks.
This is perfect.
Even better, no traffic, no bills.
Tired. A little. It was a long day.
But we still managed everything together.
Let's sleep early. Tomorrow's another busy day. So, friends, these were simple English conversations from daily life between husband and wife. Practice these dialogues to improve your speaking fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Use them in your own life too. Don't forget to like, share, hype, and subscribe to Learn English with Sapna for more daily English videos. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.